here's some details that I want to show you when you're mounting the motor connection and the ESCs. Because the ESC can be variable, remember, you don't want to cover these holes or these holes. You can move the ESC around. I chose to put the ESC furthest away from the motor mount, but not covering up that hole, either one, so closest to right there. Use a piece of double-sided sticky tape, very high bond double-sided sticky tape, to stick the speed controller, the flat part, to the aluminum. Get better heat conductivity that way. So I chose to go as close to the hole as I can with the back of the ESC. And what I'm going to do is, since I don't have my bullet connectors yet on my speed controller, I'm going to measure how far back these connectors to the motor go back on these wires when I put it together, so I can cut them the proper length. Now, a little tip on how to get these two pieces together. If you put the back or the front of the tabs into the slot first, you can rock it into position a lot easier. So you put the back in, and then you just sort of rock it forward. So again, you put the back in, and then rock it forward. Everything lines up, and you'll see the motor connectors are poking out just a little bit. When I put my speed controller in, and I match it up to that end hole, I'm going to want to solder the barrel connectors on just so they match perfectly. So I'm going to take a Sharpie, and I'm going to mark where I want to cut these wires to mount the bullet connectors. So when I solder these bullet connectors on, plug it in, this ESC will be the perfect length and everything will fit just perfectly in the arm. Now replicate that times 4.